Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I'm making a miracle oil that will help treat bald spots very effectively. The best part about this oil is it contains only 3 ingredients. If you're suffering from bald spots, especially in the front, try not to tie your hair too tightly into a ponytail and apply this oil regularly. For making this oil, peel quarter cup of small onions, also called as shallots. In our village, we always use only small onions for remedies. Now pound them coarsely, don't make them into a paste. Add a cup of unrefined oil in a pan. Add in the pounded onions too. Now cook in medium flame till the moisture fully evaporates. Once the sizzling sound stops, which indicates that there is no moisture left, and the onions start turning slightly brown around the edges, remove from the fire. Let cool and strain. This oil has wonderful antibacterial properties, and apart from hair care, we also use it for treating small scrapes and wounds. Now take half cup of cold pressed kalonji oil in a glass bottle. Add in a cup of the prepared onion oil. Use this oil in bald spots regularly. Both onion oil and kalonji oil will help regrow hair. This oil will last well at room temperature for a few months. Since we're using only onion oil and not fresh onion extract, it usually does not aggravate sinus infection. To use, take the oil and massage it in your scalp. Wait for an hour and then wash it off. Try to do this treatment at least weekly twice or thrice to see good results. It is late afternoon and I am going to make a poultice for my cousin who is suffering from painful heat boils. This plant is called Apakove in Tamil and its botanical name is Kedrostis foetidissima. We always have it at home. The leaves have a very distinctive offensive odor, especially when we crush or even slightly bruise the leaves, and we can identify it easily with the red fruits and the smell. We pound the leaves and small onions in equal quantities and apply over heat boils. It's a very ancient remedy and helps treat heat boils fast. If you don't get the leaves, you can just use only onion paste too. Stews. Secure the poultice over the boil using a thread and leave it on. The extract from both these ingredients have wonderful antibacterial properties and helps treat the boil very fast. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.